Hello, everyone. Let's start. Sarah jogged 4/5 kilometer. She jogged 310 kilometer more than Ken. How far did Ken jog? So, first, Sarah jogged 4/5 kilometer. So, this is going to be 4/5. From here to here will be 4/5 kilometer. This is Sarah. Now, Ken will be smaller than Sarah or bigger, smaller than Sarah. This she refer to Sarah. So she jogged 310 kilometer more than Ken. More than. So that means Sarah will be bigger than Ken. So Ken will be smaller. So this gap is going to be 310 kilometer. This is going to be Ken. Okay, so now the question is, how far did Ken jog? What do we do? Ken is smaller, Sarah is bigger. And we know the value of Sarah and we know the difference. So what do we do? Ken will be 4/5. This Sarah, 4/5 minus 310. Now look at the denominator. This is 5, this is 10. So we have to make this denominator same as this 10. So multiply by 2, we get 8 10 minus 3/10, which is 5/10 kilometer. So this will be the answer. For this question, they never say you have to leave the answer in the simplest form. So you can leave this like this. John had some stems. That means some stems mean this is the total number of stems. This is total. He lost 2/5 of the stems and had 27 stems left. In this fraction, 2/5 of the stems means this 5 will be the total. This 2 unit is the one he lost. So, since we know the total is 5, we will be drawing 5 unit. Then we will be shading 2 unit because this is what he lost. So from here to here will be lost, and from here to here will be what he left. This is lost, and this is left. But do you notice that they say 27 stems left? So left is equal to 27. So let's look at this. How many unit is equal to 27? We have 1, 2, 3 unit. So 3u equal to 27. So 1u is equal to 27 divided by 3 equal to 9. So 1 unit is 9. So how many stems did John have at first? So at first will be total, which is 5 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the total number of units. This is total. So 5 unit, which is total. equal to 9 times 5 equal to 45. This will be the answer. Andy spent 2/11 of his money and saved the rest. So this 11 will be his total. This 2 is the amount he spent. So save the rest. So let's look at this. 11 means total is 11U, which is total. Then 2 unit is spent. 2U, this is spent. If 2U is spent, how many units were left? Which is 9U. This is saved. Now, let's read this second sentence. He saved 749 more than the amount he spent. We know that the amount he spent is 2 units. So they say he saved. So saved is equal to 2U plus 749. So based on this, you can see he saved 749 more than the amount he spent. So this is spent. This 2 unit is spent plus 749. So now we rewrite this here. So saved is 2U plus 749. Based on this, what can we see? 9U minus 2U is equal to 749, which is 7U equal to 749. So 1U is equal to 749 divided by 7, which you will get 107. Okay. 749 divided by 7. 7 times 1, 7. Minus, you get 0. Bring down the 4. 0, 0. So we still left with 4. Bring down the 9. 7 times 7, you will get 49 minus 0. So this is how you get 107. So now they want to know how much did he spend. Where is spend? Spend is 2 unit. So 2U, which is spent, is equal to 107 times 2. So 107 multiplied by 2, what do we get? 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 0, 0, plus 1, 1. 2 times 1, 2. So we will get 214. This is the answer. Next question. The total mass of a cup and a plate is 2/3 kg. So what do we do? Cup plus plate is 2/3. Given that the plate weighs 2/5 kg, so plate is 2/5. A, what is the mass of the cup? What do we do? So C is going to be 2/3 minus 2/5. Because cup plus plate is 2/3, plate is 2/5. So if you want the cup, 2/3 minus the plate value, 2/5. So now, 3 and 5. We have to find the common denominator, so we will make it into 15. 3 times 5, 2 times 5. 2 times 3, 5 times 3. So what do we get? 10. This is 15. Minus 2 times 3 is 6. And you have 15. So you will get 10 minus 6, 4 over 15. This is for question A. Now B. How much heavier is the plate compared to the cup? That means plate is confirmed heavier. So plate is 2/5. So that means P minus C, right? So plate is 2/5 minus cup is 4/15. 4/15. So now it's obvious the denominator have to be 15. So multiply by 3, multiply by 3. We have 2 times 3 is 6, 5 times 3 15 minus 4/15. So we left with 6 minus 4, 2, 15. So answer A is 415 kg. Please don't forget the unit. B is 215 kg. Next question. Susan sold some red and yellow roses. 2/9 of the roses sold were red. So this 9 is the total roses. That means this 9 unit is the total roses. And this 2 is these red roses. So let's say total is 9 unit. So I will be putting here 9U. This is total. Okay. From 9U, 2U is going to be red roses. That means 7U is going to be yellow roses. Okay, they say the rest of the roses sold were yellow. Now, 16 red roses were sold. So that means this 2U, which is red, is equal to 16. So based on this, 2U is 16. 1U is going to be 16 divided by 2, which is 8. Now, what do they want? How many yellow roses did Susan sell? So yellow roses is 7U. So 8 times 7 equal to 56. So this 7U is yellow. This is the answer. Cindy had 3 kg of flour. So 3 kg is total. She used 3/10 kg of flour to bake a cake and 1/4 kg of flour to bake muffins. A. What is the total mass of flour Cindy used? So she used 3/10 and 1/4. 3/10 for a cake and 1/4 for muffins. Take note, you must have this kg, this unit. You must have this. Then you can add together. So now let's start with A. A, we will be adding 3/10 plus 1/4. So what is the smallest common denominator for 10 and 4? So we will be making both of them into 20. So times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. So 3 times 2, 6. 10 times 2, 20 plus 5 times 20. 5/20. So we have 11/20. This is A. Okay, now B. What is the mass of flour left after baking the cake and muffins? So total minus whatever we used. This is what we are going to do for B. So total is 3 minus 11/20. Now, you all know this can be converted into 2. Look at the denominator, which is 20. So I can write 20 minus 11/20. So 2 minus nothing here. So it will be 2. 20 minus 11, you will get 9. And the denominator is 20. So the answer is 2, 9 over 20. So answer A, 11, 20 kg. B, 2, 9, 20 kg. James read 2/3 of a book on Sunday. Okay, 2/3 on Sunday. And 2/9 of it on Monday. He read the remaining 15 pages on Tuesday. So Sunday is 2/3. Monday is 2/9. And Tuesday is 15 pages. Now A, what fraction of the book was read on Sunday and Monday? That means we will be adding Sunday plus Monday. So A, Sunday plus Monday become 2/3 plus 2/9. So let's find the common denominator. 3 can become 9. So we will multiply by 3, multiply by 3, equal to 6 over 9 plus 2 over 9, which is 8 over 9. So this is A. Now B. How many pages were there in a book? The only clue we have is Tuesday. So let's look at this. 9 is going to be the total. 8 is the Sunday and Monday combined all together. So let's look through a model. So I'll be drawing 9. And because Sunday and Monday is 8 unit of them, so I'll be shading 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now, as you can see, this 8 unit is going to be Sunday and Monday. And the one that left behind this 1 unit this is Sunday plus Monday. This is Tuesday. And you know Tuesday is 15 pages. This is 15 pages. So based on this, you can see 1U is 15. So how many units do we have? How many pages were there in a book? Total is 9 units. This is total. So what do we do? 9 times 15 equal to 135. So 15 times 9. 9 times 5, 45. Put 4 there. 9 times 1, 9. 9 plus 4, you will get 13. So here, 135. That is the answer. So answer A, 8 over 9. B, 135. At a carnival, 1/6 of the attendees are boys. 1/6. 6 is going to be total. This one refer to the boys. So this 6 is going to be 6 unit, which is total. and 1 unit is boys. Okay, there are 4 more girls than boys. So that means boys are 1 unit, 4 more girls. So isn't it plus 4? So that means girls is 1U plus 4. Okay. In addition, there are 60 adult attendees. So there will be leftover. Adults are 60. Okay, these are the adults. So let's look at this. We have 1 unit here, we have 1 unit here. And 6 unit is the total. So we left with 4 unit. So this 4 unit is going to be these two combined. Because why? We already have 1 unit here, we have 1 unit here. So these two combined is going to be 4 unit. So 4 unit is 60 plus 4, which is equal to 64. So 1U, you will get 64 divided by 4. So what do we get? 64 divided by 4. 4 times 1, 4 minus 2, bring down the 4, 24, 6. So 24 minus 0. So 1 unit is equal to be 16. Okay, so how many attendees are there all together at the carnival, which is this total? So 6U is going to be 16 times 6. So 16 times 6, 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 1, 6 plus 3, 9. 96. This will be the answer. Now, a box is filled with yellow, blue, and white beads. 5/9 of the beads are yellow. The moment they say 5/9, you know this 9 is going to be the beads, which are the total. And this 5 unit is going to be these yellow beads. So let's start. So 9U, which is going to be total. Okay, then 5U is going to be yellow. When you take out the 5U as yellow, and there is no other fraction there to indicate which one is blue or white, so you will know the rest 4U is going to be blue plus white beads. Okay, then from here you can see 541 beads are blue. So blue is 541 plus 459 beads are white. So this is going to be 459. So based on this, you can see 4U is equal to 541 plus 459. So 541 plus 459, 1 plus 9, 10, another 10, another 10. So 4U is equal to 1,000. So 1U is equal to 1,000 divided by 4, which is going to be 250. How do we do that? 1,000 divided by 4. 4 times 2, we get 8 minus 2, bring down the 0, 20. 4 times 5, 20 minus, bring down another 0, we get 0. 0. Okay, so 1U is 250. Now, what they want to know? How many more yellow beads than white beads are there? So we need to find yellow beads first. Okay, so yellow, which is 5U. 5U So what do we do? 5 times 250, you will get 1250. Okay, so when you know yellow is 1250, the difference between yellow and white. So yellow minus white is going to be 1250 minus white is 459 beats. 459. So 1250 minus 459. Now 5 become 4, here become 10. So 1 cannot. So 1 become 14. You will get 9. 1 becomes 0. This one become 11. 7. So the difference is going to be 791. This will be the answer. Okay, let's read this question. Andy and Ben had the same number of stickers at first. The same number of stickers at first. After Andy gave means give away, which is going to be minus 72 stickers to Caleb. This is another person. Okay, it is nothing to do with these two. This is to another person. Andy gave 72 stickers to another person. Then Ben had 4 times as many stickers as Andy. Ben never give anything to anybody, so whatever Ben have is stay the same. So let's start drawing the model first. Every time they say the same number of sticker at first, what do? We always draw the same number of model, the same size of the model. So okay, now this is going to be Andy and Ben. This is at first. This is how we look at first. And I will strongly suggest for this type, I'll be drawing down. Okay, for you all, please draw the dotted line. Yeah? For me here, I cannot draw the dotted line, so I will be drawing the straight line. I'll be drawing the after here. Okay, so what is going to happen is the size of Ben is going to be the same. Why? Because Ben never give anything to anybody. So this is Ben. This is after. Now, we are going to draw Andy. Andy give away 72. So that means a portion of it is going to be gone. And after that portion gone, Ben is going to be 4 times as many sticker as Andy. So what is going to happen is, I'm going to break Ben into 4 portions first. Why? Because after that, Ben is going to be 4 times Andy. Now I will be drawing Andy, which is 1 unit of Ben. So now, you can see that this portion is empty. You see, at first, they both have the same. Now this portion become empty. So this empty portion is going to be, from here to here, is going to be that 72 stickers that Andy gave to Caleb. So this is going to be 72. Okay, so now let's start. Let's solve A now. So based on this, you can see 1, 2, 3 unit. 3U is 72. So 1U is going to be 72 divided by 3, which is equal to 72 divided by 3. 3 times 2, 6 minus, bring down the 2, 12, 4. So it's going to be 12. 24. So they say, how many stickers did Andy have left? Andy left how many unit? 1 U here. So this is going to be Andy. Okay, now B. Let's look at B. Caleb. Okay, now nothing to do with Andy and Ben anymore. Now go to Caleb. Caleb gave 4/9 of the stickers he received from Andy. 4/9 of the stickers he received from Andy. How many he received from Andy? 72, right? So this 4/9, this 9 is going to be this 72. So 9U is he received from Andy, which is equal to 72. Okay, then from 9U, he gave away 4U to his brother. So from 9U, 4U is brother, and he left with how many U? 5U is he kept. Okay, based on this, it's very easy to solve. You already know 9U is 72. So 1U is 72 divided by 9, which is equal to 8. So they say, how many stickers did Caleb keep for himself? Keep for himself means 5U. So 5U is going to be 8 times 5, which is equal to 40. So this is answer for A, 24, and this is answer for B. Now, Amy and Betty had ½ meter of ribbon. So A plus B is going to be half. Betty and Cindy had 3/4 meter of ribbon. So Betty plus Cindy is going to be 3/4. Amy, Betty, and Cindy had, that means Amy plus Betty plus Cindy had 4/5 meter of ribbon altogether. A plus B plus C is going to be 4/5. So when you get this type of questions, please write down all these equations. It will help you to visualize how to solve this problem. So based on this, you can either substitute this A plus B, which is half, or B plus C, which is 3/4. So for this case, for me, I will substitute with B plus C. So this B plus C is going to be A, I write down as it is, B plus C is going to be this 3/4 is equal to 4/5. I'm writing by the equation. It's just that substitute this B plus C with 3/4. So now, if you want A, you have to minus away 4/5 minus 3/4. So now, 5 and 4, what is the common denominator? 20. So 5 times 4 times 4 times 5 times 5. I will have 16, 20 minus 15, 20, which is equal to 1/20. So A is 1/20. So now, what is the question? How much ribbon did Betty have? They want B, Betty. So we know that A plus B is equal to half. So A, we already know, is 1/20 plus B is equal to half. So if you want B, what do? Half minus 1/20. So what do we do? 2 multiply by 10, multiply by 10 to make the same denominator. So we will have 10/20 minus 1/20. We were left with 9/20. So answer is 9/20 meter. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you again.